Hey guys, welcome to You Can Fix Anything. Today we're going to show you how to install a Waterpik shower head. Alright, this is our original shower head. This one, you can just unscrew it with a monkey wrench here, or just any type of wrench. Pretty simple, just find the right size, unscrew it, just take a few spins, be careful there, there might be some water that's held in the pressure. Then we get the pieces of our new head. It first has this little mount that goes on that's got a little holder for the new head, and it's important to tighten the piece in the back. The piece in the front can spin because it's on a ball joint. So tighten it up there. Don't tighten it too tight because it doesn't actually have any mounts for wrenches or anything. Then you're going to attach the hose. One side says attach the shower head, so attach the other side here to the bottom of this piece we just installed. And then the other bit we're going to screw onto the shower head, plain and simple. Once we're done, we'll just set it in there and it'll be done. Last thing you can do is just turn it on, make sure there's no water that leaks out from where you screwed it in initially. If there is, then just tighten it in a little bit more. Other than that, really easy installation. Thanks for watching. If you found anything useful, please like and subscribe.